Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore for the guitar. So let's get started. So this is the basic layout for this song. So you got the intro, verse, verse, and chorus. So we're gonna start off with the intro and the verse. So the first chord, C major 7. G major 7. A minor, and back to the G major 7, and we're also going to use the chord D. So the intro is simple, it's just down strums using the 4 chords. So 3, 4. So as you can see, the intro and the verse, the first line of the verse is the same strum pattern as the intro. And then as you get to the second one, it's a little different. So here's an example. So as you can see on the screen, we're on the first strum, we're letting it ring, but on the second one, we're gonna mute it right after we play it. So 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then you're gonna do it for the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And the second line has a D. So that's going to be the strum pattern for pretty much the rest of the song. So let's try and play the verse all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then getting into the D. Alright, so now getting into the chorus, we're going to be using the same chords, but we're also going to learn a new chord, and the new chord is a B7. Okay. So we're going to use the same strum pattern, and I'll have the chords on the screen so you guys can play along. And then right after that, it goes into the I don't want to part, which you're going to play the 2 chords, and you're going to play a C major 7, and then to a B7. And then it's going to end with the part where she says anymore. So we're going to use a chord E minor. And we'll use the same strum pattern for that. So let's try again and play that last part. 3, 4, 2. So I'm going to skip the second verse. Second verse is the same chords, but this time you're going to be strumming the whole time. So we'll skip that and we'll go right into chorus number 2. So the only difference in the second chorus is the quick down strums on the second line. So I'm going to show you guys with the chords on the screen. You guys can play along. Alright, so again for that D, we're going to play that 10 times. Alright, so let's start again and let's play the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So thank you again guys for watching this video. I hope they helped you guys out. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Check out my channel for other videos. Leave a comment if you want to. And